Today, we're exploring the journey of Missy, the Missile Giove, the electric, wild-haired mountain biking legend of the 1990s, who redefined the sport with her aggressive style and a dried piranha named Gonzo around her neck. From winning world championships to making headlines for drug trafficking, her life has always been high adrenaline. So, where is Missy Giove now? Let's find out. Missy Giove was a force of nature in downhill racing, winning 11 World Cup races and the 1994 World Championship. She was one of the highest-paid female athletes of her era, known as much for her personality as her speed. After retiring from full-time racing in 2003, she struggled to find her footing in a conventional world. With no post-race plan or health insurance, she turned to something that felt familiar: risk. In 2009, she was arrested in a major federal bust for conspiring to possess and distribute hundreds of pounds of marijuana across the country. She ultimately pleaded guilty and, due to her cooperation, avoided a lengthy prison sentence, receiving 6 months of house arrest and 5 years of supervised release. Where is Missy Giove now? As of now, Missy Giove is living a lower-profile life, but has not vanished from the scene. She is a regular in Snowshoe, West Virginia, where she is something of a local legend. Known for being animated, endlessly talkative, and always ready to dispense life advice, she can often be spotted walking her dogs, who ride in style in a bright blue stroller. In recent years, she has made a few nostalgic returns to the mountain biking world. In 2015, after her supervised release ended, she returned to race a World Cup round in New York as a show of support for her wife, Kristen, who was battling cancer at the time. She has also been inducted into the Mountain Bike Hall of Fame in 2016 and the Italian Hall of Fame in 2017. While she is mostly focused on her life in West Virginia, she still loves to ride and occasionally makes appearances at events like the Sea Otter Classic for autograph sessions. Missy Giove has transitioned from a wild child racing icon to a local legend living a quieter life in West Virginia. While she maintains a lower profile, she is still unapologetically herself, a testament to a life lived without fear. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on individuals from high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.